How are you guys doing today? My name is Jeff Leon. I'm the Campus Admissions Manager for Universal Technical Institute Miramar. I'm going to go on ahead and get you guys on a walking tour of our campus. All right, welcome to our big lab. On this side of the lab is where we do a lot of our preventative maintenance training. Very, very hands-on, because you guys know that's what UTI is about. All those day-to-day preventative maintenance skills, this is where they're gonna get a lot of that hands-on training. Over here, we have our dyno. Our dyno is part of our power and performance program. We have 3 levels of power and performance here at UTI. This is where you get into things like fuel injection, turbos, superchargers, as well as learning how to use tuning software from HP. Welcome to our diesel engine lab. This is where students have the ability to learn about diesel engines, performance, troubleshooting, electrical issues. So this is where the magic happens with our big engine. Welcome to our HVAC and refrigeration lab. This is where our students have the ability to learn how to work hands-on with residential, commercial. It gives them the ability to be able to hit the ground running when they start their careers in the industry. Welcome to our welding lab. This is where our students have the ability to learn about many different welding processes, including MIG, TIG welding. They learn about fabrication and all the intricate details of becoming high-quality welders in the welding industry. Welcome to our airframe and power plant lab. This is where our students have the ability to learn the theoretical as well as the hands-on knowledge to have the ability to work in the field as airframe and power plant technicians. All the key tools and knowledge that they will need to be able to excel and once again prepare for FAA certification. Thank you guys for taking a quick tour of me through the Miramar campus. Visit uti.edu and we hope to see you guys soon.